I am VIP Thomas Myers. Tommy, aka Fat and Sassy. Less fatter by the day, 70 pounds down since January. This is not about motivation. This is not about determination. This is about dedication. If this is something you're going to do, it's a lifestyle change. It's not, do I feel like it? Do I have the energy? Do I really want to do it right now? It's not about that at all. Because once you make that, solid decision to change your life, because it's a lifestyle change, it's discipline after that. I mean, do you think The Rock wants to go to the gym every day? I mean, I've seen several videos where, he's just like, I hate it. Some days I hate it. But he said, when I get to the gym, everything that keeps me from wanting to go to the gym stays on those plates when I leave. So, leave everything with your workout. And that's something else, that's going to help you beneficially. It helps me sleep, helps me relax, helps me get rid of the frustrations of the day, because I kind of use those to fuel my exercise routine sometimes. It clarifies your mind. It puts you back in perspective of what are you doing for you? Now you just pulled 14 hours for the company. What are you doing for you? And by the time you're done with that workout, you should be very satisfied about what you're doing for you. Planet Fitness will be your best friend. And I'm going to explain why that is, because anytime we're out and about, we're usually in most of our routes within 20 to 30, sometimes 15 miles of a Planet Fitness. Okay. The Black Card membership is $24 a month. And with that, you get any location in the United States, any location that's not in the United States as well. You get free showers. You get the massages, the personal trainer access. All of that is free. Tanning beds, and I have found in my experience in the last year that I call ahead to make sure that we have parking. Okay, so when I do that, if they don't, they will redirect me to a safe parking location, and then they will let me know if they have Uber service in that area or a taxi service. So Planet Fitness is very, very accommodating to the trucking industry. A lot of times, especially in Pennsylvania and Minnesota, there will be more than one truck sitting there. So this is not a new thing. This has been going on for some time. Nutrition. All this stuff that we're talking about with the resistance bands and the gym, that's all good and well. You will get healthier, you will get stronger, but you still will have those layers of fat on top. Okay, you're going to lose some weight, but until your nutrition changes in a lifestyle change, like we mentioned before, your abs are made in the kitchen, 100%. Which I still don't have those yet, but I'm working there. My recent trainee, this is my first one, but I introduced cooking healthy in the truck. I have a skillet and a George Foreman grill, which I cook chicken, steak, fish. I bring my own fresh vegetables, and I've introduced that to him, and using whatever spices he needs to, get it to his flavoring, and he's really enjoyed it. And I introduced him to Planet Fitness, the free showers thing. Okay, that's going to be a big deal because, I told him, you take 4 showers a week when you're out on the road, it's $15 a pop, times 4 times 12, okay, which is tons and tons of money. But those showers at Planet Fitness are free with your membership. So that's huge. I mean, even if you didn't go work out, which I suggest you do, that would be worth the $24 a month. My trainee Lamont said that yeah, he'll be parking at Planet Fitness even if he doesn't work out, just for the the showers, and it's a 24 5-day a week operation, and most generally they close at 10 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. They used to be 24/7 before COVID hit, but now most of them are 24/5. So the most important thing you need to do is move. If you can't get to a Planet Fitness, just move. Get out of your truck. When you get fuel, I know that you think it takes a lot of time, but walk around your truck 3 times. In doing that, you get 1/8 of a mile in 3 trips. And also in doing that, you're ensuring that there's nothing wrong with your truck. Okay, so because while you're walking around your truck, you're looking at it. You know, anytime you get out, walk around your truck 3 times. I don't care if it's just at a delivery, or you're picking up a trailer, or you're stopping at a rest area, or you're getting fuel. It takes approximately 8 minutes to fuel your truck. How many times do you think you can walk around your truck while you're fueling? Okay, it's simple. It's, you know, there's simple ways to get that 30 minutes a day in of moving, and that's what you need to do to stay active. And then we got my workouts. Okay, so let's say I don't get to a Planet Fitness. All right, there's many things that you can do and buy. Okay, first of which, we're going to have a kettlebell. This is a 20-pound kettlebell. It cost me $25. And there are multiple different kinds of bands. First, we're going to start with this. It is approximately 3 inches wide, and it looks to be about 10 inches. Okay, what this is for is you put your legs inside this and slide it up to your knees, and that helps with your hinge movements when you're doing squats, and it'll help your abductors and your adductors on the inside. So, which is really important because we are climbing up and out of this truck tons and tons and tons of times a day, plus crawling up inside this trailer. So your hinges in your legs and your shoulders, mind you, take the most beating as a truck driver in this industry. So, and then we have the set of 3 bands. All of these bands I'm showing you are under $12. Okay. This set is a 3-band set. It comes with 2 handles, and it also comes with this strap that we showed previously that has a ball on the end of it right here at the top that you can close behind a door or anywhere. Do not put this up in your window and roll your window up. You will shatter it. Okay? It's been done. I've seen videos. All right. With these resistance bands, you can train multiple things, and I'll show you that later on. Okay. And then I love these. Okay. They're heavy duty resistance bands. They're about 2 inches wide. They are $8 a piece. I use these to do my heavier work that I need a little more resistance on, and we'll demonstrate that here shortly. And then battle rope. You guys are going to hate me for this, okay? Because once you try it, it's totally 100% better than running, but you will get almost 3 times the caloric workout, the caloric burn that you will in running. And we'll demonstrate how to use this combined with the kettlebell and some squats later. Then over here you have a yoga mat, and I will bring that to you. This is $5. This is something you can sit outside of your truck and you know, just get down on the ground, do some stretches, do some push-ups, you know, crunches, ab work, core work, whatever you need to do. And we're going to use this in our demonstration shortly.